fix it, and now deleting the old datas. So yeah, really interesting. Let's see what come. They fixed the pipe, so this pipe is fixed, like we was having the troubles, and this is my BMW. So 320 horsepower, and yeah, quite happy about. 5 doors, first owner. It's not the perfection or something like this. It's not a queen, but it's a really nice car, which I love it. So you can see it like this from behind. The car is amazing, which I love it. 5 doors, and I will try to do as much as possible videos because I like it. I like to share it. I like to share with you, and of course I will also improve every video which I will do it. So yeah, I need to wait now because the car is currently deleting the old owner datas. We can see it here. So I need to wait. So I'm here parked at some nice place, which we see it like this here, and yes. So, and tomorrow, if everything is okay, we go to the one racetrack, not with my car. I will be just assistant there. So there we also will film some nice content, I believe it. And yes, so what more about car? 320 horsepower, 1530 kilos, I believe. 4x4, which was not usual, was for the Swiss market, and of course because I'm in Swiss, it was the Swiss. And what else? It's not small, it's not big, and this is what I was searching, because I can put my bike inside. I can go with the bikes everywhere, like now when I go on holidays. It was really good. It's perfect. I mean, I like it so far. Maybe I will change the tires, because they are in the front is 225 and behind is 245, which for Xdrive doesn't make sense, but is fabric from the factory. So yeah, big brakes, which we see it 345 back, and we see it like this, 345 and 340 in the front, 4 piston calipers, which is also amazing. Yeah, the wheels are a little bit damaged, which we will do in the winter, fix it. So yeah, let's see how fast will car go, and we do some drive today. I will not go really far because I need to wake up quite early. Maybe I need to also now load the car, but let's see. The power control of the BMW. So here we have it, and this one guy, he wanna show that he has power. So let's see it. He cannot go, so yeah. And here we have it. It's a nice, a little bit touch to the car. So yeah, and it's not something that I would have the main. I would have another details if I can, speed limit, and yeah, but it's a nice small touch to the car. So just a little bit around driving. So yeah, let's go back to home. So here we have 50 per hour, so we need to keep the speed limit. And we are now in drive mode because I have different modes, and this is a comfortable mode, dynamic, no? So I will say like this, and it's automatic, like you can see the D on the right screen, and yeah. Yeah, baby, I like it. I like it. I like it. 6-cylinder supercharger. Not really. It's a turbocharger. I'm sorry. So 6-cylinder turbocharger, 3-liter. So I love it. I mean, it's amazing. It's comfortable. It's super comfortable. I did 800 kilometers, and yeah, I could really nice. Drive, relaxed, so this is something which I really like it. So yeah, it's nice. So yes, that's really what I like it. So now I hang home, and tomorrow we have a new video, and we will do also a new a little bit on a racetrack. I was today, and I hear that will be just 8 cars, so will be really low cars, not so much. So, but probably will be quite some nice cars. At least I expect this, and I hope that I can do some nice videos and show some cars. And yeah, see you guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and let's grow this channel together. I really like to do with the cars and with all this stuff. And yeah, thank you for everything, and see you soon.